Breast implant revision surgery consists of replacing your current breast implants with new implants. There are several reasons why you may elect to have implant revision surgery. First, you may want to improve the appearance of your breasts. Over time, you may want smaller or larger size implants or a different style. Perhaps you may feel it is time for a breast lift and prefer a new implant option as part of the process. Second, breast implant revision surgery is necessary to correct certain breast implant complications. For example, if an implant ruptures, the implant will need to be replaced. Also, capsular contracture is a potential issue where the scar tissue around the implant can constrict and may cause pain or displace the implant, requiring a revision to reshape the implant pocket. A teardrop-shaped implant may also rotate in the body and require replacement to look natural. Third, a woman may simply prefer to update the implant material to new technologies that may offer them greater peace of mind, a more natural look, or lower complication risks. In recent years, more women are seeking out new options that better address their needs and concerns. While our practice offers our patients all implant options to address their personal needs, we are especially proud to be an ideal implant premier surgeon practice. This latest advancement in breast implant technology now allows women to enjoy the beautiful look and natural feel they want, yet without the need for regular MRIs to detect silent rupture as with silicone gel, and the peace of mind of only saline inside. This exciting advancement also offers the lowest rates of rupture and capsule contracture compared to other options at 8 years after primary augmentation. In the end, a breast implant revision can be a very positive experience and serve as an upgrade or improvement to your appearance, overall comfort, and peace of mind. As this surgery is always a very personal procedure based on your personal situation and preferences, it is critical that you select an experienced, compassionate, board-certified surgeon who listens carefully to your needs and concerns and offers you all of your implant options. Here in our practice, we will look closely with you to help you achieve the look you want, skillfully correct and minimize future complications to the extent possible, and offer you the latest technology and education so you can make informed choices. Simply call our office to schedule your no-obligation personal consultation.